Come on, we got a toilet to fix. Remember how easy it's going to be? Here we go. Don't worry, I'll be there to bail you out.
I don't need your help. I did it before.
Okay. Here's the deal. Another free job coming up. There's my kitty. This is Monroe. Say hello, Monroe. This is Mocha. And Mommy's gonna fix the toilet. Because it's so easy. You guys care? We have a toilet upstairs that keeps leaking. I got it off right now. But we're gonna turn it back on. So what happens is, yeah, see, I shut it off. The tank level drops and wastewater, and then it starts to fill up automatically. And it's really annoying. And this is what happens at the plumber's house too. So we're gonna fix it. Marcy says it's easy. We're going to see how easy it is. And here's the replacement. Genuine Kohler parts. Now, the best part is I just put this part in like, I'm going to say 2 years ago. And it's bad already. So genuine Kohler parts. Are they really genuine? Come on, we gotta fix this so we can go.
Alright, just give me a second. I don't need tools. It's just the plug, right?
You hear this? You don't need tools. Alright.
It's just the plug, right?
Yep, the plug.
Alright. I already did that.
You gotta turn the toilet off.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey, righty.
Yeah. I'll be the best helper you ever had. It's a little hard.
Fine.
Okay, you're fine.
So now I should flush the toilet to empty it.
Uh-huh.
Why did Mallory's? I didn't flush it.
Okay. You want me to open it for you? Hey,
No.
You want,
I don't need you to do anything.
Okay. How easy is plumbing?
How much do you get to do this?
It's Sunday.
Oh, double time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand why we need tools for this.
Who's the best plumber?
Jenkins.
We love Jenkins.
JC. He's my
JC,
hero.
he's the man. Hold on, show him what's wrong. Tell him, Marcy.
The seal is clam shaped.
Mm-hmm. Clam shape. We love clams. Hook it up. Turn the water back.
It's too long, I can tell already.
It might not be. You'll see. You're doing good.
I'm telling you, I did it before and then I did it in Mallory's.
Yeah.
See, I told you it's too long.
Hold on. Cool your tool.
I can tell right away it's too long.
Turn the water on all the way.
No, I just push this through. Open this up and pull the thing through.
Okay. You don't need tools?
Nope.
Okay. I have my glasses in case you need to get bailed out.
I just want you to do it because I don't want to mess up my
Oh,
nails.
no.
I don't want to mess up my nails. I could open this up and just pull this through and then close it again. But I don't want to mess up my nails.
So basically, you need to get bailed out. Is there a snap for the thing right there?
That's what I mean. I should just snap this right here
Can
like
you?
that.
Oh, do that.
There you go.
Watch out.
Oh my God.
You're so
You don't
good.
even need a tool. Would you bring them in so you could charge more?
Yeah.
I fixed it.
Watch out, I gotta fix this thing.
I did it so much better than the other one. No, it's not the float. It doesn't flush right away. Like, you broke it.
Anyway, the pro's in here now. She broke the toilet handle. Now I gotta fix it. Anyway, I got a new favorite tool, my sprinkler tool. It's so nice. No, Brain told me to buy it. Yeah. Boom. Look at that nice cut.
Flush it. You cut it? How about if you're wrong? Just wait till it fills up.
Why is it film so slow? Oh, that's why. Now we gotta adjust this thing. Okay, there we go. The Kohler ball probably failed because of the chlorine tablets that have been put in here. You know what I mean? So now what I'm gonna do, there it is, all like that.
Let me see what you're doing. You gonna leave that chain in there? That'll be the next problem.
No, it's right next to the chlorine that ruined the ball. Chemical breakdown of Kohler genuine parts. It says
No,
it right.
leave it in there.
It says it right on the box.
Put it in there.
Genuine.
They just say
Kohler.
that so they have somebody to blame.
Exactly.
And we wonder why my roast messed up. Chuck playing with bleach.
What kind of towel, please? Here we go.
How long does it take to fix a toilet flusher thing? 2 hours at Barron Plumbing and Heating.
That's because everybody discontinues everything. Blah, 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 blah. One toilet. I don't even think this is genuine, dude.
You put the toilet in.
No.
You mean the flopper?
Yeah. Oh, no, I like that. Cross your fingers, everybody. And again, this is a freebie job. This is at my own house. What's it gonna be? One done?
Better.
I don't like that design. It gives you like, it's designed for, hold on, let me see.
It sounds better though.
Oh, 1 gallon. Is that what that says? This is why I told it sucks, dude. Oh, 1.6.
Oh, let's read the instructions now.